Okay, I'm back at Zed's restaurant on Airport Road. It's their 57th birthday celebration, so they offer all customers their free burger. Any toppings, you have to pay for it. So I got fries and everything. So I have to, I paid $13.84. I added cheese, bacon, and then I got the fries and gravy. So I'm gonna dig in. Okay, so dig in. I would like lather this up in mayo, but should have cut it in half. But I'm serving. Let's go. So I'm live streaming on my main channel out and about with yours truly, Peasy. So I'm going to be talking back and forth. There's nobody behind me right now, so I'm going to re-angle this camera. Good. Bun is nice. Good burger bun. Good burger. Let's try the gravy. It's a good color gravy. There you go. It's not starchy. I don't like starchy gravy. What's your toppings on the burger? So even if they weren't celebrating the birthday, I was gonna come back and try their other things on the menu. Burger was on the list, so this is good. So good. They're generous portions. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add this review to the first visit, keep it separate or what, but it's worth coming up here. Take your bite. So yeah, when I'm up here, I try to do a plane spotting, so that we might be doing that after I eat. Be a good thing. Why not? Beautiful day. Oh, not many clouds in the sky, so it'll be a good one. So I will enjoy this burger. So if you're visiting Toronto, live in Toronto, come out here. This is in Mississauga, Airport Road. I don't know, can't remember the address. I'll post that when I edit. So here you go. Take your bite. Happy birthday to Zed's, and thank you so much for offering free burgers for today. Happy 57th birthday to Zed's Restaurant, Airport Road. Thanks for the free burger. I just finished eating it.